All right, everyone, this is it. Who's ready for adventure?
Look, dolphins!
Good morning.
Good morning! I'm ready. Let's go! Smile!
Welcome.
All aboard! Let's sail! Look! Dolphins!
Woof. There it is.
A mysterious island, folks, shrouded in legend and history. It awaits us just ahead.
Awesome! Beautiful birds!
Can anyone spot the colorful birds near the palms?
Wow! I see them! They're so bright! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The wind is strong!
The engine stopped.
Stay calm! We made it! Whoa!
Be careful.
All right, everyone, stick close. We're about to discover something amazing.
Wow! Look at those flowers!
Stay together. Beautiful birds. Strike.
Whose footprints?
Interesting! Ancient statues. A magic map. Only true friends can unlock the island's secret. What's happening? A secret door! I'm a little scared. Let's go! amazing! Look, everyone! Ancient paintings! Wow, look at the treasure!
Who do you think they are?
Oops.
We're trapped!
Think carefully.
A puzzle!
All right, team, on 3. 1, 2, 3!
We did it! Teamwork! We did it!
Beautiful crystals!
A treasure chest!
All right, team.
Here we go! Whoa, look at that! It's opening! A magic crystal! Amazing! Who's that?
Greetings! I am the protector of Mystery Island.
Welcome, friends!
The treasure belongs to everyone who protects nature and helps others. Kindness is the real treasure.
We promise!
Congratulations!
Good job, buddy!
This way.
Beautiful! Fresh air! Welcome back!
I'm glad you're okay.
Goodbye, Island!
The greatest treasure wasn't gold. It was friendship and teamwork. All right, everyone, smile big!
This is the best adventure ever! We did it!
Hooray! That was amazing! See you next time!